Hello, watch friends and watch enthusiasts, watch technicians, and all of you out there. Here is a Bergeon 5803, 220 volts, and it's a 4 tours minute. This is one of my recent investments. Got it off from Germany, which it's perfect because it's the same power supply as we have here in Sweden. And I have been looking for this for a while, so I'm happy I got it at a good price. And I have mounted these ones, and we will take a look on this one. So this is very fantastic. With this one, this winds at 4 RPM, and probably you just need maybe 2-3 hours to get a full day's winding on your watches. Continuous with no rest in multiple axes. So this is fantastic. So we will turn this on now and take a look on it. As you can see the speed it is. I actually play some soft loud there because it had a little bit sound, and this is attached to these walls. So actually you can hear it pretty well, but not now. Now it's just the sound you can hear stays here. So I just have placed 2 watches over there. One of my recent serviced Exactus, and King Below as I call it, which is there also. A new leather strap. But if you ever see this, I would recommend you to buy it. There it is, very nice. This moves a little bit, actually more faster than a regular watch box with winding, of course. I'm pretty happy with it. Not sure if you need some type of service or oiling. It gives a little bit sound, of course. It's not convenient to have it around your bed or something like that. You have to have it in your own workshop. There is 2 other watches in the collection, just showing you original Beloa, I still have it, and Isertina 18K gold, of course. I'm not serviced that one yet when this video was recorded, but I will later on give it a proper service. This is really watches from my crown collection. Hopefully I have them many years. Yeah, so I think it's pretty smooth there. I think you all get the point of how it works. I just wanted to show you a little bit. Let's take a look here. Below comes. Yep, thank you so much for watching this, and take care. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know.